This is William here, and today we're going to talk about Google Analytics Advanced Segments. So how to create and use Google Analytics Advanced Segments. For all your analytic reports, you have the option of either using one of Google's default advanced segments to filter your data, or you can create your own from scratch. So default advanced segments. All advanced segment templates are associated with visits data. So for example, all visits, new visitors, paid traffic, etc. You can apply multiple segments in two ways. Click the pull-down menu labeled Advanced Segments at the top of your reports. Check off the segments you want to select and select Apply to finish. You should also see your tables reflect the same segmented data. The second is select Advanced Segments from the Settings section of your reports. Select a default segment and click Apply. Please note that this is an option that only lets you apply one segment, not multiple. If you select Copy, you can see the breakdown of how the default segment was built and edit it to include more conditions and values for your own purposes. Once you edit all copy of the default segment, it will be saved in the Custom Segments section of your Manage Advanced Segments page. So creating your own advanced segments. To begin creating advanced segments, you can either navigate to the Advanced Segments pull-down menu at the top of your reports and select Create a New Custom Segment, or click Advanced Segments from the Settings section of your reports. Click Create New Advanced Segment from there. Follow the steps below to continue customizing your advanced segments. First off, think about the segment that you want to design and what kind of visits it will include. Identify the appropriate dimensions or metrics for your segment. For example, if you only want to see visits with 2 or more unique purchases in your reports, you would choose the Unique Purchases metric. Drag the dimension or metric into the field bordered by the dotted lines. Note that the new field's condition and value now become available. 3. Choose the condition appropriate to your segment. In our example, visit with 2 or more unique purchases will require a greater than condition. Enter the comparison value for your segment. In our example, we will enter 2 as the value. Please make sure that you test each segment to ensure you have conditions that make sense for your segment. As an example of a pair that return a 0 value is condition URL value less than 2. Take a look at the valid conditions. 5. You can add and or statements to your segment if you want to make the segment more inclusive or more restrictive. 6. Click Test Segment. You will see how total visits to your site are filtered down once you apply the conditions you've just defined. Name your segment, then click Create Segment to finish. In order to apply it onto a report, you can select Apply to Report from the menu or Manage Advanced Segments page, or select the segment you just created from the Advanced Segments pull-down menu found at the top of all your analytics reports. In summary, so whether you use one of Google's templates or create your own custom, you can use Google's Advanced Segments to filter all your data for analysis. And please feel free to contact me. I'll be happy to try and help. And this is William, and this concludes the presentation on Google Analytics Advanced Segments. So I'll see you the next time. Take care.